When's your birthday? What do you usually do on your birthday? When's your birthday?
My birthday is February 8th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually have dinner with my friends and eat cake.
When's your birthday?
It is November 13th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
Normally I have a small party, I have some cake, open some presents.
When's your birthday?
August 9th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually spend time with my friends or have dinner, see my family.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is on 21st of March, 1990.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
On my birthday, I usually celebrate my birthday with my friends and family.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is September the 29th.
What do you usually do on your birthday?
I usually go for a meal with my family, with my children and my wife.